Hello, my name's Jason, and in the next few minutes I'm going to show you what the new septic tank laws are all about. I'm going to show you how they will affect you, and more importantly, I'm going to show you how you can make your old or existing septic tank legal without having to replace it. On the 1st of January 2020, the UK government passed a new set of laws designed to stop septic tank pollution. Basically, all septic tanks installed before 2015 must now have an MOT certificate. Yes, it's like the one you get for cars, but it's for septic tanks. So, if your septic tank was installed before 2015, how will these new laws affect you? Well, in two ways. Number one, the first way is when you try to sell your house. When you come to sell your house, the solicitors representing the people buying your house will ask to see your MOT certificate. Now, this government certificate shows the solicitor that your septic tank and soakaway complies with the new laws and is 100% legal. If your septic tank does not have an MOT certificate, then you will struggle to sell your house and your house sale could fall through. 2. You'll get a visit from the local council building control officer. Now, under these new laws, local building control officers across the UK have now been given powers to visit septic tank owners and inspect their septic tank. Any septic tank found to be without an MOT certificate or that discharges into a river, stream, brook or ditch is now illegal. 90% of septic tanks will fail these government site inspections. The result? Well, just like you get a fine if your car doesn't have an MOT certificate, septic tank owners who do not have an MOT certificate for their septic tank will also be fined. So, how can you get an MOT certificate for your septic tank? Well, you have three options. Option 1, if you're selling your house, you could reduce your house price by £10,000 to £15,000, which is what it will cost the people buying your house to get a company in to install a new septic tank and soakaway. Option 2, you can get a company in to replace your old septic tank and soakaway with a new one. Again, this will cost you about £10,000 to £15,000. Or you could choose option 3 and save yourself £12,000 and install a small government ecosystem septic tank converter. So what is a septic tank converter? Well, the ecosystem septic tank converter gives an MOT certificate to septic tanks installed before 2015 and makes them 100% legal. Now, these government systems are approved by UK building regs, the UK government and the Environmental Agency. They're also really easy to install and they work with all septic tanks. All you need to do is dig a small hole next to your existing septic tank and put it in. So how does it work? Well, septic tanks discharge raw sewage into the soil or watercourses. The ecosystem septic tank converter turns or converts the raw sewage from your septic tank into clean mineral water, thus protecting the soil, water, your family and the environment. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.